Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how you can fix this notification problem if your notification is not snoozing or not coming to yourself, whether it is WhatsApp messages or normal messages. How you can enable notification snoozing settings in your OnePlus smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, click on sound and vibration, swipe down. Here it is, you can see. If you find this, then you click sound and vibration. If there is a notification and status bar, then click on notification and status bar, click on more settings, and friends, here it is allow notification snoozing. You have to enable this, and now your notification will snooze. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.